Okay, so what force is needed to continue to slide? That is the language of kinetic friction, right? It's already sliding. The subject is moving across the surface, right? It's in motion. And it's a 32 kilogram block of wood across a wood floor. So we look up, wood on wood, and we are continuing to slide it. So mu is 0.20, right? I'm pretending we have 3 sig figs here, right? The force of friction is mu times r, and r in this case is the force of gravity, right? So it's mu times mg, right? So we're going to go 0.20 times 32 times 9.81. Let's consult the calculator here. That's 62.784 force of friction. Ta-da!